With fewer than 1,000 miles on the odometer, you'll be sure to appreciate this model's condition and value. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the powerful 12-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Top features include cruise control, power front seats, automatic dimming door mirrors, a headlight cleaning system, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, a power liftgate, and leather upholstery. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. You'll never lose visibility with rain-sensing wipers, which activate automatically when the drops start to fall. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.